do you even do around here besides interrupt people?
Well, I serve as treasurer to the union. I make a wicked pot of decaf.
Exactly. You're a worthless piece of shit!
What's up guys, it's Aiden, and Drake just made a song called War, and I want to go through it with you today, but I'll also leave the FLP in the description if you want to check that out as well. So first off, we have the lead piano. So there are a lot of channels to go through here. The first one is a Rhodes piano. It's covering the chords. Next up we have another Rhodes piano which is covering the melody. And that's backed up by another piano to make the sound more full. Then I went into Nexus and I laid in the FM piano cheap, which is a native preset to Nexus, so you can find that under piano. One thing to note about this is that in his song, the piano is backed up by a choir, which is probably recorded in a studio, and I don't have access to a choir in my bedroom, but this is the best I could do using pianos. Next up we have the 808. Which was created in Serum. I just used the analog BD sine oscillator and I put a filter on it, the MG Low 18. Then later on in the song, a new 808 comes in. And that was created by using Basic Shapes, which is a preset inside analog, and then I went to my wavetable position, I brought it up to 3, and then I put on a filter. Next up is the hi-hat. Then I put that onto my mixer and got rid of some of the trebles on parametric EQ2. Then we have the snare loop. And that changes a lot throughout the song, so you'll have to chop and change as you go. Next up is the kick, which varies a lot throughout the song, so I didn't put it in as a pattern, I just placed the notes in individually into the playlist. Then we have this gunshot sound, which I found on a sample pack. I got rid of some of the lows using parametric EQ2 and isotope vinyl, and then I put on Fruity Reverb 2. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you want a more in-depth look, you can check it out in the FLP, but I'll play a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.